Hi everybody, today we're going to be making spicy potato wedges. These are packed with so much flavor and they have a really spicy kick. So if you like regular potato wedges, you will love these. We're going to start by cutting our potatoes into wedges, and the easiest way I find to do this is to cut the potato in half and then cut them into strips. Before you do this, make sure you clean your potatoes because we are going to leave the skin on. And if you find any ugly bits on your potato as you were cutting them into wedges, just slice that right off. We don't want that on there. Now you're going to need a plastic Tupperware container that has a lid, and just put your potatoes in there, and we're going to add olive oil. We're just going to eyeball it. We're going to use enough to toss the potatoes in the oil and they will all be coated. Now we're going to add our spices and seasoning. I'm going to be using a half of a teaspoon of all of the spices, unless I say otherwise. Before was the paprika, and now we're going to add all-purpose seasoning, then adobo seasoning, garlic powder, Creole seasoning. Again, I'm using half a teaspoon of everything, unless otherwise noted. Now for the spice, that kick, we're going to use a fourth of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and also a fourth of a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we've put the lid on, and now we're going to give it a really good shake. We want every inch of the potatoes to be coated. When your potatoes are fully coated, they're ready to cook. Now we're going to put our potatoes in the air fryer. We're going to air fry these on 375 for 20 minutes. Well, the last 5 minutes you want to keep an eye out. It usually ends up cooking for like 16 or 17 minutes. Now that they're done, we're going to pour them onto a paper towel just to absorb some of the excess oil, which there won't be much because we didn't use much to begin with. And this is it. They are done. You can eat them plain or you can add ketchup. Both ways are delicious. If you like potato wedges, give this video a thumbs up and make some for yourself.